Hey folks, so I'm Chris of Trailseekers, Nature Trails and Tours, also of Trinidad is a Real Place, and Sairah and us are going to 𝗵𝗲 Waterfall right now.
So when you walk here, you don't expect this to be this beautiful. This is really nice. Look at that! It doesn't seem real. It's so beautiful, man.
Yeah, probably about the same thing, but it's actually shorter doing it via the river.
Okay, so we're going to Seven Sisters now, right?
Marianne River, we call it Seven Sisters. It's a section of gorges and some short waterfalls, and this all leads up to a village called 𝗵𝗲𝗱𝗄 village, but we're not going to go that far. We're just going to the first one. Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited. The big, beautiful waterfall right there is called 𝗥𝗲𝗱 Waterfalls. It sounds like avocado, but yeah, it's really nice. See how beautiful this is? Wow, look at that! I really love it. Listen to me, if you haven't been to Trinidad before, this is your sign to go. Because this is amazing. I can't see shit with this hair, but we're at Lance Martin Bay right now, or beach, I don't know, forgive me. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. I love this. Huh? So you can bathe in the sea. It looks a little rough, but there are certain spots that you can go in. You can't see anything. The view must be beautiful when you can actually see shit, but and it's cold as hell, man. Why? It's freaking cold. It's cold nog ka. Yeah, cold nog ka. Boy, Jesus. En milekwan donkaw. Gewoon niet weer bikini, weet je. Met een beetje overgooiertje. Wow. This, it feels like the AC is on 17.